Man nila darling, 10:45 na. Pumasok na tuloy ako. Tagal ko sa labas. Kaya pala. Maki, hanggang saan ka na? Look, let's see. How tall are you now? Okay, go away. Go away. Oh, okay. What number is that? What number is this? You don't know? Oh, I am not wearing my salamin. Yan, ito po siya. Minus shoes. Aba. Aba. May playground na. Parang ano, crush. Ay, madam, yung tubig po. Naporgat nila. Ikaw ba? Kahit sa bar, ginagawa mo. Ganda. Dami na laman pala nilang wall pan. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, may na ano. Yung TV nila. Sulit. Sulit daw.
Kaya po dapat nga, para maiwasan yung madumi, dapat dito lang.
Maki, be careful. Baba dyan, baba. You just sit on the chair. Tables are not made for sitting. Okay? No, don't sit on the table. You sit over there. Okay, magalit si teacher. Sumbong kita. Ay, nako, kaya pala. Oh. Alright. Mamaya naman po ulit. Avengers pa pala si Maki, oh. Kaganda naman. Alright.